This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Google just announced Gemini 3, their new, most intelligent AI model. This isn't a small upgrade. It's plugged straight into Google Search, the Gemini app, and Google's AI tools from day one. On screen right now, you're seeing the big shift. Search answers don't just look like text anymore. They turn into richer layouts, tools, and interactive blocks built around your question. Why does that matter? Because Gemini 3 is built for three things: deeper reasoning for hard, multi-step problems, multimodal understanding of text, images, audio, even video, agent-style behavior, where it can plan tasks and use tools for you. In simple terms, ask bigger questions, give it more complex inputs, expect more than just an answer. Google says Gemini 1 brought multimodality. Gemini 2 added thinking and tool use. Now, Gemini 3 combines everything so you can bring any idea to life. You'll see it in Search with AI mode for smarter results, the Gemini app with sharper reasoning and a new agent, and in developer tools and enterprise platforms where it powers coding help, front-end generation, and long-running business tasks. Bottom line, this launch is Google's way of saying the chatbot phase is over. We're now in the Gemini 3 era, where your AI is supposed to think deeper, see more types of data, and actually do work across Google's products. If you want more clear, fast breakdowns of huge AI drops like this, hit subscribe to AIX, like the video, and tell me in the comments what you want to try first with Gemini 3.